1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoon rice flour, 2 tablespoon yogurt. Mix well. Add water as per required. Add water gradually. One pinch orange food color. A 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix well. Rest for 10 minutes. 1 cup sugar. A 1/2 cup water. Cook on medium flame. 1 teaspoon vinegar. Cook until sticky consistency. Set aside. After 10 minutes, add mixture in piping bag. Low heated oil. Add in sugar syrup for 2 to 3 minutes. Sugar syrup should be medium hot.